Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about crop production and management. This chapter is under CBSE Std-8 syllabus. So why we are learning this chapter and why crop production and management and healthy agricultural practices are very important. So these are some of the reasons that humans, animals are directly or indirectly depending upon the plants. This we have already learned in 7th standard, that each and every food chain starts from autotrophs, from plants or from vegetation. They are the only one for us who are making their own food with the help of solar energy. So bee and other animals and other organisms are directly or indirectly depending upon these plants, and the crop what we are cultivating or whatever vegetation we are cultivating, we and animals are directly or indirectly depending upon them. Second, we need food. We know that to survive and to live a healthy life, we require food. We require a lot of healthy food like vegetables, and apart from that all those supplements like protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, mineral, all those things we require. All these things we are getting from that vegetation, and they are the first source that we are going to get all these nutrients from them. Then in order to provide food to large population, we know that day by day our population is increasing, and to give food to all this population, it is very important that we should follow proper management and production for this agriculture or for this cultivation. Healthy and effective agriculture practices are important. Why healthy? Because if we are using more and more of pesticides and chemicals, then it is in turn going to harm our nature. So that's why we required healthy. And why we required effective? It should be effective, then only we can protect our crop from the pest, from the insect, and we will get good amount of crop. Our yield will be good, and then only we can suffice the need of large population. So for all these reasons, we required crop production and management. And effective techniques of crop production and management will give us high amount of yield and healthy amount of yield. Now let us first know what is the meaning of crop and what are the types of crop. So this is a definition of crop, that plants of same kind are cultivated at one place on a larger scale is called crop. So for example, the field of wheat crop, that if in a very large farm, in a very large scale, in a very large area, if we are growing a wheat, then it is known as crop of wheat. If it is a field of rice, then it is known as paddy field. It is known as paddy field. So crop is plant of same kind are cultivating in a large area is known as crop. Now there are different types of crops, that cereals, vegetables and fruits. Cereals includes wheat, rice, maize, groundnut, all those are considered as cereals. Now the season in which the farmers are sowing their crops, according to that we are classified them into two types or two categories. First is Kharif crops and second is Rabi crops. Kharif crops are sown in rainy season, and in India from June to September is considered as rainy season. And examples are paddy means rice, maize, soyabean, groundnut and coconut are the example of Kharif crop which are sown in rainy season. Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. They are sown in a winter season, and in India the winter season is from October to March.